Welcome to Pete's world of poisonous plants, where the ordinary becomes where a moment's carelessness can turn curiosity into a living nightmare. Where your last breath is sometimes closer than you think. Enter Pete's world of poisonous plants if you dare.
Consider the humble tomato, plump, juicy, and the cornerstone of a decent salad. Quite harmless, wouldn't you say? But look closer at its cousin. These obsidian berries belong to the deadly nightshade. One handful ensures you never need a salad again. Welcome to the Solanaceae, a botanical dynasty that provides both your Sunday roast and a direct trip to the Victorian morgue. The family is vast, spanning from the comforting potato to the sinister datura. It is a family of contradictions and chemical warfare. To understand their power, we must look at the molecular level. Specifically, the tropane alkaloids, atropine, and scopolamine. These chemicals are masters of disguise, competing with acetylcholine at your muscarinic receptors. They effectively hijack your nervous system. Physicians describe the resulting chaos as the anticholinergic toxidrome. It is a descent into a very specific kind of madness. Mad as a hatter, delirium and hallucinations. Red as a beet, a flushed crimson face, dry as a bone, no sweat, no spit, blind as a bat, pupils dilated until the world is a blur, hot as a hair, a rising, dangerous fever. Then there are glycoalkaloids, like solanine. These don't just confuse the brain, they physically disrupt your cell membranes. The Atropa belladonna, or deadly nightshade, has a history as dark as its fruit. Venetian ladies used it to dilate their pupils. They called it belladonna, beautiful woman. Little did they know they were flirting with a poison that could stop their hearts. Folklore speaks of flying ointments. Witches allegedly rubbed these toxins onto their skin to hallucinate the sensation of flight. The datura, with its upright trumpets and spiky thorn apples, offers a more aggressive intoxication, often leading to total loss of reality. Contrast this with the angel's trumpet. Its flowers hang pendant and elegant, yet they harbor the same lethal chemistry, and the mandrake, its bifurcated root, resembles the human form, leading to the legend that it screams when uprooted. But let's return to the kitchen. How can we eat potatoes and aubergines safely while their cousins are so deadly? The secret is location and preparation. We eat the tubers and fruits, but the stems and leaves remain forbidden territory. Have you ever wondered why potatoes go green? It's not just an unappealing color, it's a biological alarm bell. Exposure to light triggers chlorophyll. The greenwich is harmless, but it also triggers solanine production, which most certainly is not. The green is the potato's way of shouting a warning. I am no longer food. I am a weapon. A mistaken identification can lead to seizures, paralysis, and respiratory failure. Nature does not offer second chances to the careless. The rule is simple: never eat wild berries, no matter how tempting. Knowledge is the only barrier between a meal and a tragedy. These plants can heal, harm, or kill. The difference, as always, is knowing which is which. Sleep well.